Hello everyone and welcome to Clay Formations. Thanks for stopping by. Well, I'm back from the beach and I'm ready to get creative. I went to the shell shop in Morro Bay and picked up some small clams and thought I could do something with them. So I decided to make a clam family. The only trouble is I made 2 other clams before I started filming. I was just sort of messing around, wasn't sure how it was going to turn out. After I did the other 2, I said, oh man, I should have filmed this. So I started filming, and better late than never, I guess. So sit back and I hope you enjoy the making of the clam family. I gave each one their own personality, so what I think I'll do is I'll call this guy Discontent. He just doesn't like it out of the water. I think this guy's going to be a little goofy, so we'll just call him the Goof. Looks like we're giving him quite the underbite there. Now it's time to paint Mr. Discontent. See, there will make him looking towards the water because that's where he wants to go. I'll take some UV resin and attach it to the wood. Okay, this guy I made off camera, and we will call him Mr. Grump. And there you go, sitting next to Mr. Grump is Smiley and Nervous Nelly. And there's the Goof getting his paint job. Alright, I guess clams would be slimy, so let's give them a gloss finish. Well, don't they look just delicious? If you like clams, that is. I don't care for clams that much. I'm sure they hope you don't like them either.
Okay, which one of you guys wants to remind everybody to like the video?
Not me.
Aw, come on, it's easy. Just say, don't forget to like the video.
No, I want to go back in the water.
Okay, how about subscribe? Who wants to say, don't forget to subscribe?
Ooh, that's a hard word to read. I don't know how to read the word subscribe.
Okay, how about share? Share is an easy word to read. Can you read share?
No. It's mine. I don't like to share.
Oh, brother. Where's a pot of boiling water when you need it?
Would you please take the picture? I can't hold this smile all day.
Okay, how about comment? Who wants to say, don't forget to leave a comment below?
I'd like to tell him where to put his comment below.
Oh, come on, guys, work with me here.
I think he just wants to take a picture so he can put us on a menu in some fancy restaurant.
I swear I'll never work with clams again.